part of the community of the educated people. There are only 6%, between 6 and 7% of the population in the world have got diplomas. Between 6 and 7%, and you are part of that group. And if you're part of that group, it means you must play your role. What is your role? To contribute to knowledge. That's your role as educator, to contribute to knowledge, not to sit back. Why did you go to university? Why did you go to university? Right? If you go to university as a duty, for this 6% to be part of the group, you've got to develop knowledge. To develop knowledge, it means you've got to argue your point. It's not a question of right or wrong. No, no one is wrong or right here. The only issue is how can you put your arguments logically. Logically. Last week with the situation here we're starting, we say coffee is better than tea. It's stupid, but some people can argue that logically. Arguing logically is an art and it's a discipline. And for all of you here who are the future of Russia, you need to be able to argue point logically and you win. Okay? That's the attitude when we come here. And we've got to maintain this attitude. You can see me, I don't know you. I'm not afraid of you. I don't care. Right? I'm not afraid of you. And because I'm not afraid